Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to take a Dollar Tree cutting board and turn it into a snowman. So I grabbed one of those white plastic cutting boards from Dollar Tree, a Dollar Tree pick, a couple of different types of ribbon. One is from Walmart, the other one's from Dollar General, black acrylic paint, orange acrylic paint, pink acrylic paint, and white. So the first step is you're going to take and just draw out your face with a pencil on your cutting board. So I just did 2 teardrops for an eyes, and then I did a longer teardrop for his nose, and then I just lined out his mouth into a smiley face. Next, I took the black acrylic paint and I painted his eyes with a very small brush. Next, I took the orange acrylic paint and I painted his nose. And this is like a darker orange, almost like a burnt orange color, but you can use any color orange that you choose. And you're probably going to need to do 2 coats of the orange and 2 coats of the black on the eyes and the nose. So just let it dry between each coat. And he's already looking super cute. Next, I took the pink acrylic paint, and I just did a little bit of blush on either one of his cheeks, right around where I did the eyes. So I put a little bit of pink paint on my brush, dry brushed most of it off, and then painted. Then I took my liner brush, and I just lined out his mouth where we had drawn, covering the pencil marks. Now I'm just taking and fixing and making sure my eyes are all straight. Next, I took the white acrylic paint and a thin liner brush, and I did 1 line on each eye. Then I flipped my brush over and used the bottom of the brush and dipped that in the white paint and did a dot on each eye for his pupils. And look how cute that came out. He's super adorable. I made this little bow using the ribbon that I had, and I cut apart the pick. I'm not going to use all pieces of it, and I found this little snowflake to put in the center of the bow. So I'm just going to glue on the pieces of the pick right to the top of the cutting board. And you can use whatever greenery you have. I tend to not use the whole pick of anything. I just kind of pick the pieces off that I like. Sometimes they're just too much for certain projects. So once I had the greenery glued on, I added a couple of the berries that I had cut off the pick. And you want to make sure that you hold everything down until it adheres, because you're gluing to plastic, so it may take a few more minutes to adhere than it normally would. Then I just glued the bow right in the center of both of the pieces of greenery and the berries. And I ended up having to pull off the berries that I had put on the left side because I put them too close to where the bow was. So I pulled them off, and then I added them a little bit further away from the bow afterwards. Then next I added the snowflake to the center. And he is so adorable. It kind of looks like a girl, so I guess it could be a snow woman. And I love it. Next, I just took a piece of twine and added a hanger And this was a super easy and super cheap project to do, and it came out absolutely adorable. This would be super cute to hang in your kitchen or give as a gift. And it was very inexpensive to make. The cutting board was $1, and the ribbon most of us have on hand, and the pick was only $1 also. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.